Hi guys, good morning. So today we'll see Industries CPQ Developer Certification Maintenance Summer 24. Okay. So how can your sales representative select linked assets in include in MACD operations? Right. We'll go for A. Click the preview icon in the related asset column. So what is the communication cloud agent console? You'll go for D. So, what is the diagnostics tool in velocity CMAT administration? We'll go for E. So, how is the update button now used in rapid attribution quantification feature? The update button is only enabled for attributes with the rules associated. So, what is the advantage of a sales representative being able to see the product versions in working cart pages? We'll go for C, E, B, and C. True or false? These classes are now available in the Communications Cloud GitHub repository. So, custom price planning, a step implementation, and a CPQ next pricing planner helper. Yes, true, available. So, what is the advantage of a new guest handling enabled setting? It keeps the things more secure by default by preventing the guest user access unless the setting is changed. Now, check the quiz. Done. So we successfully completed Industry CPQ Developer Certification Maintenance Summer 24.